Hey, we're back with another video of Steven Dog's channel. That is Steven Dog. We are playing some Switch
Rocket League.
Yep. And right now, I'm gonna whip his butt. And he's gonna be so sad that he's gonna be crying on the bed. See? If you guys don't know what Rocket League is, it's a game. It's soccer with cars and a bunch of different power-ups. So you can use it to your advantage to win. I will set it up. As you can see, we got some quality gameplay.